So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit the monthly payment filter here on Redfin. So once Redfin's opened up, I want you to go ahead and select your location. So for this example, I will just use Chicago for this demonstration. Now, once you search up your location, if you want to sort of edit the filters on how much you would be paying per month, for example, I want you to go to the top left here to where it says price, press on the drop down, and then currently list price is highlighted. Go ahead and press a monthly price right here. Now, once you're here, it'll go ahead and estimate your monthly payment, which will include your HOA fees, property taxes, homeowners insurance, as well as just a basic 6.75% interest rate with a 30-year fixed loan. You can go ahead and kind of customize these filters if you want. So if you want to go ahead and type in your loan type, the interest rate, etc., you can go ahead and do that. And if you're looking, for example, to pay anywhere, let's just say between 2,000 and 6,000, that's your range. Go ahead and press on done. Now your search will be refining to where all those would fit the criteria in regards to your monthly payment filter. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to edit the monthly payment filters on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.